Medicea OS is an Italian Linux distribution designed primarily for multimedia professionals and enthusiasts, including musicians, graphic designers, and video makers. Its goal is to provide a complete and optimized operating system with a rich set of pre-installed software for creative activities. Here are some key aspects of Medicea OS, based on Debian Stable: desktop environment, Cinnamon, multimedia focus. Its strength lies in its large collection of multimedia software, ready for immediate use, including many plugins and with optimized graphical interfaces. Among these, applications for audio editing, DAW, video editing, and graphic design. Optimization. Medicea OS is designed for performance, with features such as turbo boost of processors enabled by default and reduced swapping to optimize the speed of programs. Intuitive. It aims for an intuitive user experience, requiring minimal configuration for common tasks such as internet connectivity or printer configuration. It also features an interface similar to that of macOS. Pre-installed software. It includes a wide range of applications, including Office suites, such as OnlyOffice, and utilities for various purposes, as well as multimedia applications. It also has extensive application centers for easy installation of additional software. Italian origin. It was developed in Italy by Marco M. Mariani and has been used in educational institutions in the country, such as the Istituto Santa Maria degli Angeli in Brescia. Versions. Medicea OS is available in several professional versions, including the commercial version and the community version, which is the current stable version. Community support. It is supported by the Medicea project community and is available for free download. In essence, Medicea OS is proposed as a robust and ready-to-use Linux operating system for those who need a powerful and complete platform for creative and professional multimedia work. The history of Medicea OS. Medicea OS is an Italian Linux distribution whose history dates back to 199. Its birth is linked to a specific need to provide a complete and optimized operating system for the multimedia sector, with particular attention to musicians, graphic designers, and video makers. The beginnings, 1998. The first commercial version of Medicea OS dates back to 1998 with the name of Medicea OS Ultimate 2.0. From the beginning, the goal was to offer an easy-to-use and software-rich desktop system for professional customers and educational institutions. Evolution of the base. Initially, Medicea OS was based on Debian. Subsequently, between 2017 and 2023, it adopted Ubuntu LTS, long-term support, as a base, and then returned to Debian Stable in the most recent versions. This flexibility in the choice of base demonstrates the constant search for stability and performance. Desktop environment. Throughout its evolution, Medicea OS has experimented with different desktop environments. If in the past it was associated with XFCE, with optimized versions such as anabolized XFCE4, the current releases, such as Medicea OS Professional, adopt Cinnamon. This choice is motivated by the desire to offer an elegant, intuitive, and familiar interface, often compared to that of macOS, while maintaining excellent responsiveness. Multimedia focus. The multimedia vocation has remained a fundamental pillar over the years. Each version has been enriched with a wide range of pre-installed software for audio, video, and graphics production, eliminating the need for users to search for and manually configure applications. Use in the educational field. A significant aspect of the history of Medicea OS is its use in the educational field. It has been successfully used in some schools in northern Italy, for example in Brescia, for computer rooms, and for invalsi tests, thanks to its completeness and ease of use. Releases and development. Medicia OS has seen several commercial and community releases over the years, with constant updates to integrate the latest technologies and improve the user experience. Medicia OS developers. The Medicia OS project is the result of the work of a dedicated team and community with a clear leadership. Lead developer. The lead developer and leader of the development team is Marco M. Mariani. He is the key figure behind the design and optimization of the system. Owner. The ownership of the project is attributed to Medicia Company. This company, registered since 1998, focuses on providing complete and easy-to-use operating systems to professional customers and educational institutions. The community. In addition to the commercial development team, there is also the Medicia Project community, which contributes to the project. This demonstrates an approach that combines professional development with the support and feedback of the open source community. Headquarters. The Medicia OS project headquarters is located in Monza, Italy. In short, Medicia OS is the result of a long-lasting commitment by Italian developers, led by Marco M. Mariani, and supported by Medicia Company and community, to offer a Linux solution optimized for multimedia creation and general use, with a strong focus on usability and completeness.